Hello students, this is Survey of College Math, and we were looking at Venn diagrams, and I was getting ready to do number 24, and it says use the Venn diagram to determine the indicated number of elements. All right, now notice this is saying the number in U. All right, so this is about number of elements. So if I look at this, the number of elements in U, I am first of all going to look at what is U, the number in U. When I think of that, I'm thinking about everything in the entire universal set. Okay, that is what this stands for. U is all of that. Now it wants to know how many. Now first of all, you've got to stop thinking of these as elements. This means that there are 17 in here, 52 in here, 9 in here, and 22 in here. So I am going to take all of those numbers and do 17 plus 52 plus 9 plus 22, and that will give me the answer, which I have not done yet. Let me do this. 17 plus 52 plus 9 plus 22. And that gives me 100. So the answer to this one is 100. That just is saying that there are 100 elements in the universal set. And again, these are just representing, look, I even underlined it, number of elements. These are not the elements. Otherwise there would be one here, one here, one here, and one here. Nope, these are how many elements are in there. So there are 22 people, I always can think of them as people, 22 people out here, 17 in here, 52 in the middle, and 9 over here. Okay, now, next. The number, again, that's what that N is standing for. Like you're going to be counting how many elements there are. The number in A intersect B. So when I think of A intersect B, now that I have a Venn diagram, intersect is this right here. So this is the image I want to come into your head when you see intersection. So how many elements are in there? It tells you right away. It's 52. So all I have to do is say there are 52 elements in there. The number in A. Now the number in A is all of that. Okay? All that. A is encircling. So I'm going to come over here, take a look at that. Well, what's A encircling? It's encircling 17 and 52. So I have to do 17 plus 52. Which is 5, 60, 7, 8, 9, 69. All right, so the number in A, 69 elements. 27, the number in B. So this is what I want. I drew this, and I'm talking about the number in here, in that set. So what's that going to be? 52 plus 9. So what is that? 61? Yeah. 52, yep, 61. So this is, the Venn diagram really helps to understand what set we're talking about. So here, the number in A union B. A union B, remember, was this one. Yeah, everything here in A or B. All that. So I'm going to use that image to answer the question. So everything in those would be the 17 plus the 52. I'm going to write that down. 17 plus 52 plus 9. And that gives me, what is that? 70 something? Let's see, 50, 60, 76, I believe. I better do it on the calculator. I can't. Let's see, 17 plus 52 plus 9 is 78. All right. Didn't want to make a mistake there. Now, the number in A complement is the next one. A complement. Now, A complement is everything. So I go to A and pull away from A like a little sunshine here. So it's everything outside. Here's A right here. We're talking about everything outside of A. All of this out here, not in A. So if I come over here, I have to ignore what's inside of A. Okay, so these are inside of A. I can't look at those numbers. Outside of A is just a 9 and a 22. So I am going to look at the number in A complement to be the 9 plus the 22, which is 31. Okay. Now, the number in B complement, so don't forget to look at that little mark there. B complement is everything, so I'm going up to B's circle and pulling out. So we're talking about everything outside of B. So you think of B as this right here, and everything outside of B. So I'm going to come over here, cover up what's in B, what B's hugging. It's hugging the 52 and the 9, so it's going to be 17 plus 22, which is 39. All right. I'll be back for the last one.